Yes, 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 yes. Spring is about to come in a few days. Wait. Is that the ice cream truck? I'm going to tell my dad. Hey, Dad. There's an ice cream truck outside of the house. Can I buy some ice cream?
Yes, classic Caillou. And don't even think of destroying the ice cream truck.
Welcome to the ice cream truck. What do you want? There are many ice creams to choose from. Can I have the SpongeBob popsicle? I'm sorry, but we're out of SpongeBob popsicle. But you can have a Sonic or a Minions popsicle. What? I want SpongeBob popsicle. I want SpongeBob popsicle. I want SpongeBob popsicle. I told you that we don't have SpongeBob popsicle. That's it. I'll destroy the ice cream truck. Don't you dare.
Classic Caillou. How dare to destroy the ice cream truck? That's it. You're grounded for 66 days. Get inside the house right now.